Let me probably Chris. No sen. Mila to kilo. Oma something na YouTube pa. Mila to finish line. Now I must give one lilik screen record video blo. First step and we need to create email address to you. So say on lilik screen record blo au boy benim na working creating sa email address to you post them na by proceed on lo one time this email address lo creating channel do you lo YouTube account. So benim this na creating email address do you suppose you know what email address.
Okay. Now we show you creating address to you, Gmail address to you. Okay. Uniform to you, you going to check by looking Gmail address and stuff. Looking on email thread, middle, far right hand side, from right, you come the middle thread by looking Gmail and stuff. You click Gmail. Okay. And then by looking bring you to a page where by looking set up Gmail. Okay, you will set up Gmail and then you don't know about one install site by looking, but for me create it on the Google, so let me show you how to create it on the Google. Okay, you go to Google. Okay, then you click Gmail and by bringing you come to this page straight and to set up email. Okay, you make it Google, Outlook, Hotmail, and Live, Yahoo, Extension, Office 635, 365, Ada. Okay, because made me creating on the Google, but me talk you how to create on the Google. Okay, you want to you click him Google and the lab first flower. Okay, you click Google and by bring you to this page. To this page now, and you write him name to you. Name by you see me. Your first name and then your last name. You write it finish. Okay, you click him next. Tumblr pencil icon and ask item next. So you press him next now. And by you come to this page. Okay, then I bring you to this page and all basic information with date or bed, gender and kind of same. Okay, you go press the month, one month you born them, day and by the day, but it should be date. Okay, you press him la, one date you born them, the year you born them. Okay, you finish, you click him next lotamlo and pencil icon item. You press him next and by bringing you low this page. Okay, this page and by creating the password blue. Okay, password m to same. Tab memory to same. Create a strong password. Create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols. Simply means the same. This the name you write it up, you can use him this level creating password. Otherwise you can use him narable name that you write him, but make sure you must remember him because you will all narable on him or website or second or ask him by using this same password. So this line by you must use you on the password or write you on the name by him. Okay, you write him inside lab by using the letters. So letters by using by got one pla or two pla number, make sure two pla number na one the symbol symbol le minimum same using by ski sign or star or kind of same by using the but you can say la but there must more than 8 plus character. Okay, 8 plus character simply minimum same. And this is letters plus numbers plus a symbol and baguan tablo symbol or symbols and baguan tablo appreciate na one tab so password liu and basto. Okay, after that by pressing next okay, you press it next and bago and baso you list blow all name you write team and Google help him to create him this la on email same help you look create him. Okay, you look you go name use him lem and blame by looking some plan number. Okay, you click him this la email address make sure you must think him. Okay, you click in next and by your phone number and this la kind. Okay. After that, you keep pressing next. Okay, this time on kind of preparatory system, sa kind of learnable stuff. And you can go through the read. Okay, you go around tamlo, you read mo katapin, you understand mo, tam to straight, gitu. I agree. So it's still running, may musem Google Prime sa team of this account, you know. So you agree one time. Terms na condition yun na Google Prime mo approve na.
Thank you. Please subscribe. Na like him, share him, video dun. Thank you.